Hi everybody, I'm back with a video. In this video I want to show payment proof of some of the money I withdrawed. It was sent to my bank account. This is some of the money I got from Survey Junkie. It's $800. I didn't put in a lot of work, but I was able to make this. There's one, two, let me see. There's three, four, five, six, seven, eight. That's $800 right there. I made that with Survey Junkie. If you haven't got started with the company, I recommend you do. It's easy to do surveys. Click the link in the video in the description. Go to the website, sign up, confirm your email, and start earning money taking surveys. It's really that simple. And you can make money too. And that's payment proof right there that they do actually pay. Yeah, guys, I just showed you the payment proof that Survey Junkie actually does pay. And like I said, I've been using them for a while. Any site I recommend on here on my channel, I recommend you to join them. They're 100% free and they actually do pay. So if you're searching for surveys where you can make money online, or either websites that are legit, it's going to pay you money, go through my videos on my channel. Anything related to surveys or making money online, I recommend you join those websites, because they're going to allow you to produce some income and make money online. And the websites are 100% free, so you really have nothing to lose. All you have to do is sign up, confirm your email on the websites, and when they send you emails, just start taking surveys and just start earning some money. It's really that easy, especially if it's, it's 2021. If you're looking for a way to work from home or make some money on the side, definitely recommend you join the sites that I recommend. They work, they pay money, and like I said, they're free. You don't have anything to lose. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button for me, and turn on notifications so when I upload a video, when I'm sharing information about how you can make money online, you'll learn first. Until next time, take care.